Architect shapes the world we live in. But what if we could design the world we dream? Christopher Nolan's Inception isn't just a film about heist in dreams. It's a manifesto for architects, a lesson in bending reality, layering meaning, and building the impossible. Now, let's look at how the rules of dreams can inspire the rules of design. In Inception, Ariadne isn't just a dreamer. She's an architect to construct worlds that feel real enough to deceive the mind. Sounds familiar? Architects too are world builders. Every blueprint we make, we try to tell a story. Every building is a stage for human life. But how do we balance imagination with logic? A design isn't just about function, it's about emotion. A hospital should heal. A home should comfort. A museum should inspire. Inception reminds us that shapes need a narrative. Take Zaha Hadid's work, her fluid curves breaking the laws of gravity. Much like Inception's folding Paris, both challenges us to ask, can a building move you? Both literally and emotionally. In dreams, layers influence each other. In architecture, so do functions. A modern tower isn't just offices. It's shops, homes, parks, stacked like a vertical city. The challenge is to ensure that these layers, functions, connect and they do not clash. Adaptability is key. The shed in New York morphs to host concept galleries and theaters. Like hubs, teams, shifting dreamscapes, architects must design shapes that evolve. Dreams let us ignore gravity. Reality, not so much. But today's tools, parametric design, 3D printing, give us a chance to dance with physics. The results? Structures that seems to breathe, twist, and define logic. We are not breaking the rules, we are rewriting it. And in Inception, every innovation starts with what if. Guban uses paper tubes to build disaster shelters. Prove that even the simplest materials can hold up worlds. In cult dreams, memory is a ghost. But in architecture, the foundation. Space carry history. The laughter in a home. The grief in a memorial. Architects don't just design walls. We create identity. Renovating a 200-year-old factory isn't about erasing the past. It's about letting the story live in the present. So, the question here is, what can architects, designers, and creatives learn from Inception? 1. Test ideas in VR, physical models, or even dreams. Iteration is your totem. 2. Architects, engineers, clients. Tools like BIM are your shared dream space. 3. Sustainability is your kick. Ignore it and the whole system collapses. Biomimicry, adaptive reuse design for a world that needs waking up. 4. The most powerful part of Inception, the idea that sticks. Great architecture does the same. And in the end, Inception asks, is reality enough? And for architects, the answer is no. We are here to question, to twist, to reimagine, to build not just spaces, but legacies. After all, the best designs aren't just seen, they are felt. They are the dreams we choose to live in. And as always, hope I've inspired you today. Peace out.